Volcanoes are some of the most dangerous natural wonders on Earth. If you fell into one, you'd vanish without a trace in seconds. But since volcanoes are so good at destroying things, has anyone ever thought about using them to get rid of our trash? How would we even get the trash there, and what risks would we face? In the United States alone, people produce about 254 million tons of trash every year. Dumping it into volcanoes might seem like a great idea, but it's not as simple as it sounds. Volcanoes might look like nature's own incinerators, but they're actually really unpredictable and tough to reach. So is it worth trying, or would it just make things worse for our planet? The first challenge would be finding an active volcano that could handle the job. There are only about 1,500 active volcanoes in the world, and most of them are far from where people live for good reason. Getting all our trash to one of these volcanoes would be very expensive. And even if we did, we might discover that it's not the right type of volcano. The best type would be a shield volcano, which erupts slowly and has lava lakes that gently flow out. Unfortunately, these are quite rare. You're more likely to find a stratovolcano, which is the explosive kind. Stratovolcanoes are known for their violent eruptions because of the pressure buildup inside. So, using one as a landfill wouldn't be safe at all, but let's imagine we find a good shield volcano. Before we even think about transporting the trash, if you were the first person to deliver trash to the volcano, you'd probably rethink your job. The area around a volcano's vent is dangerous, full of poisonous gases, lava splashes, and flying rocks, and things only get scarier once you start dumping stuff in. Back in 2002, some researchers in Ethiopia threw a 30-kilogram bag of trash into a volcano. The result? A huge explosion. Lava lakes are unstable, and if you throw something cold like trash into them, it can trigger a series of explosions with boiling steam. Now, imagine the scale if we dumped a whole country's trash into one. For comparison, rock falls into lava lakes in Hawaii have caused lava to shoot 85 meters into the air. So it wouldn't be pretty. Even if we managed to throw our trash into a volcano without getting blown up, we'd still have to deal with the pollution from burning waste without any filters. Plus, some materials don't completely melt in lava, so toxic remnants could shoot back out and pollute the land around the volcano. This is especially bad if you're thinking of burning things like nuclear waste. And let's not forget the huge carbon footprint from transporting all our trash to these volcanoes. Overall, it sounds like a terrible idea. If we're going to burn our trash, maybe we should do it somewhere we can actually use the energy that comes from burning it. Or perhaps we could just launch our garbage into space. Surely nothing could go wrong with that, right? But that's a question for another time. If you enjoyed this idea, make sure to like the video, comment below with what other what-if scenarios you'd like us to explore, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.